Hello, samul shle three kharse na Gobi Manchuri Mango. Kazanye rokope jiki jisa kazi mani. Ni uchintanga ni manguja sugi ni Gadget na hang masa ni so susurangi idea kashishi. Susu tapshide uchini suna dure inangi hopshiro shitong nga kadesi mera. Yeah, hello everyone. Today I'm going to cook Gobi Manchuri. I got this recipe from some of my friends, but this recipe has been asked from few of my friends. They told me, please show this recipe in your YouTube channel. So today I'm going to cook for you all. Yeah, and then I hope it does come well. Better than my friend. I have eaten this dish of my friend's wedding party, so I hope I can cook better than him. I hope so. So enjoy the recipe and try. Yeah, I'm cooking this because also because I'm not eating for 16 hours every day. Every day I'm fasting 16 hours because it is very good for your health and for environment. Yeah. And what else? Yeah, and then I'm going to make a smoothie, the healthy smoothie, because when you're having a fasting for 16 hours long, and then you need to have some superfood. So I'm going to make both smoothie and Gobi Manchurian. I hate the smell of cauliflower, but when you make this way, it is so tasty. You don't make out. You feel like it is a meat or vegetable. So stay tuned. Take a cauliflower and cut it in a small piece. Wash them and put a salt and boil for 3 to 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes, because if you cook more it will be very soft and it doesn't fry well. So it's just 3 to 5 maximum, not more than that. Immediately wash it off, strain it and cool down, and add a chili powder as much as you like, and cumin powder, turmeric, and coriander seed powder and salt. Mix it well. Add a ginger garlic paste. Mix again. Add a 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of cornflour. Mix the batter so well, and if you need, you can add a bit of water. If you want it thicker, you can add thicker. Now heat the pan and add oil. Heat the oil. Add the mixture, all the mixture one by one, and fry it for 10 minutes. Don't put all together, you just have to add one by one. The batter here I have made a very thin coat, but if you like you can make a thicker coat, because I don't like too thick. Sometimes I like to have a thicker coat, but this time I'm not making a thicker coat, so it is up to you whether you like to use a thicker coat of batter or a thinner like this. Yeah, and the batter you can mix it separate, and then you can dip the cauliflower inside, and then you can fry like that also, but this time I'm doing it different. So it is up to you how you like, so you can do whatever you like and however you like to like all the spices you can mix differently also, but you just need to add flour and corn flour. After frying it for 10 minutes, take them out and put it in a vessel, and you can add one more coating of batter. The same mixture, you can add one more, and then you can deep fry it again. So it is up to you how you want it. If you want a very crispy and nice, you can add one more coat of batter and then fry it again. I took out everything now. I'm taking it out everything out, and then I will be frying it again one more time for 10 minutes. The oil has to be in a medium heat, not very hot. Here I'm frying it again without a coat, second coat, but you can add one more coat. It would be nice. You can, after putting one more coat, you can have like this directly. You can serve like this, but I'm making a sauce. Heat the pan and put soya sauce, chili sauce, and a bit of vinegar, a bit of sugar and salt, and mix it very well. And then you put this fried cauliflower inside this, which I have done here already because I didn't shoot it. I didn't make a video, but I did it already. And you can garnish with spring onion, very fine chopped spring onion on it. After you finish all the mixture, mix together, and then after, when you're garnishing with the spring onion, it will be very nice. Okay, then serve it with bread, or you just eat like that. I've taken a mango, avocado, brown sugar, curd, organic, bio, and a glass of water. Now I'm going to cut the mango into pieces like this, and put all the mango and avocado in the mixer grinder, and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, yogurt, and add sugar, 2 to 3 brown sugar, a cube brown sugar, and add a bit of water. The water need to be careful, don't add more than max level in the mixer grinder. So I'm adding till max. Close it and put it on mixer grinder. Grind it well. I'm using a mango peel also with it. So some people, they don't like mango peel, but I like it because I like to have a little crispy in it, which I can bite it. So the smoothie is a little thick, so you can add more water when you're serving. And I'm adding a water and a smoothie, and then mix with a spoon. Mix it well. Now now the smoothie is ready. So you can garnish with anything. I'm going outside and cut a mint leaf in my garden, a small balcony garden. Just gonna cut and put it in the smoothie so it will have a nice look, a better. Enjoy!